Okay, so we added this the other day to the chicken run. Now, they do have the covered chicken run. It is open on the other side to where the tarp's not all the way down. So they can come over here if they want, or on the other side, whichever one they want. So we call this the outside netting area. But then we added, you can see that, let me make this, but we added all of this here onto it, and the chickens can come and go in there as they want. There's shade in there. So this tarp is on the inside just as a shaded area that keeps the front end shaded. We had to put it on the inside because I originally had it on the outside, but Majestic kept wanting to chew it up. So I moved it to the inside. There's a little door on the bottom and the front, and you can see them going through it. We do have a electric fence around it, so Majestic don't decide to chase them. And also we have the netting on top to keep the hawks away, because I cannot stay out here all day and watch them. So we decided to do this. Now, we did this, I don't know, a week or so ago. By the time this comes out, I'm sure it'll be a little over 2 weeks. I videoed the whole thing. I sat the camera up. You hear Majestic breathing underneath me here. But it's all shaded here, so he has lots and lots of shade. But yeah, I put the camera on the tripod while Lee and I was working. Of course, Lee did most of the work. And so I videoed the whole thing, and then when we got done, we got it all finished, and I noticed that I didn't turn it on. So technically the whole time I didn't video anything. So yeah, so I'm just out here today videoing again, so you can see, so they can have some green grass. We've had this wire, because that's the same wire we used for all of the rest of it that we wired up. So we've had the wire for a while. I just we just hadn't put it up yet. And if you remember in a previous video where I got the green netting, I had these black posts on it, so we took it off to put the electric fence around. So the dingleberry here underneath me, big boy, won't go chasing them. And when they stick their heads out like that, we didn't want him to try to grab them. So yeah, they have the inside, and you can see how this side doesn't have the tarp going all the way down. So during the bad storms and stuff like that, we don't have to worry about them getting soaking wet. They're under the cover, and if they want air at any time, like right now, you can see the wind is blowing. So they can come out here, eat some grass, get them some sun. The grass was really high, but they've eaten a lot of it down. But we can always extend it out if we want to. Oh, I got hiccups. We can always extend it out if we want to. And the goats are eating on the other side. Let's see if you can see them. right in there and in the front over there. So we'll walk around. You can see the goats. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out here. 8 of them is out here. One of them is broody and sitting on the guinea eggs, and one of the wine dogs have gone broody, and they said, well, why don't you give the wine dog some of the eggs? But I said no, because I don't want 2 of them hatching out chicks. I just want one of them hatching out chicks, because I don't want them to be like fighting over the chicks, or one of the chicks go to the wrong mama and you know it gets hurt. So it's just better keeping one. But there are 8 eggs. I'm not sure how many of them will hatch out. So all right, so we'll go around and bye beautiful, bye beautiful, bye beautiful, bye beautiful. Bye beautiful. Bye beautiful, bye beautiful. Okay, so we'll go around to the front and check on all the goats. Hey babies. Yeah, they're all over here. Now a little later, probably when the wind stops blowing, they will come around to the back side in the shade and graze back there. And there is a fan going. You can hear it and see it there. For the 2 that is broody, so they don't get hot in the coop. And the door's open in the coop, so both doors, front and back, so they get a breeze through there also. So they're all eating. Look at one of them getting a dust bath. That's Dandelion trying to get a dust bath. Okay.